Hey, what's up guys? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the almighty Galaxy S10 Plus against the best of yesterday, which is the Galaxy Note 9. The Galaxy Note 9 is one of the most powerful phones out there. It is the latest generation of the Note series, and a lot of people who use the Note 9 are probably not going to upgrade to the Galaxy S10 Plus. They're waiting for the Note 10. But one question that will be on their mind is how well the Galaxy Note 9 will perform against the S10 Plus. And before we get into this, I just want to remind you that I am giving away a Galaxy S10. To enter this giveaway, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and leave a comment on my unboxing video. Link will be down below in the description. So let's start the test off by booting up both phones at the same time, and let's see how faster the new chip here with the S10 Plus is compared to the last generation of the Note phone. So by the way, I got the latest One UI update on my Note 9, so it's pretty fresh. I had a fresh install, and wow, so Note 9 actually is faster in booting up compared to the S10 Plus with the One UI. Wow, now that is something that I did not expect to happen, but it did happen. The Note 9 was really quick there. Both phones are actually having a 6.4-inch display, but the Galaxy S10, because of its new bezel-less design, feels really good, more one-handed friendly than the Galaxy Note 9. And another mind-blowing fact is that the S10 Plus has a 4100 mAh battery, a little bit more compared to the 4000 of this one, while being slimmer, which absolutely blows my mind. It still got the headphone jack. It is hella impressive. So let's see the multitasking tray. Everything is closed in the background. Okay, so as always, we'll be starting off with some warm-up. So we've got the phone dollar application. Here we go. And you can see Galaxy S10 Plus faster there. Samsung has advertised in their trailer that the app opening speed is definitely faster on the S10 Plus, and we have seen the glimpse of its power against the iPhone XS Max. If you guys haven't seen the test, make sure to watch it. Let's launch these settings at the same time. Here we go. And still the S10 Plus just a tiny bit quicker. Moving on to some third-party action, we've got Subway Surfers on both phones. Here we go. And let's see. Just like that, S10 Plus done, and it is absolutely incredible. I was actually shocked when I first opened this game side by side against the iPhone XS Max. Let's launch Cora, and that is really fast on the S10 Plus. Also, if you check out scrolling, it's really smooth on both phones. Reddit, and that's quicker on the S10 Plus. Asphalt 9. This is one of the big games we have, and let's see. Galaxy S10 Plus already on the loading screen. Alright, the S10 Plus is done, followed by the Galaxy Note 9. Pin out. Instagram. And that is faster on the Galaxy Note 9, surprisingly. Let's check out the scrolling. Looks pretty smooth on both phones. And going into the Instagram camera, that's a little bit quicker on the S10 Plus. So there's that difference. And let's see my profile. That got loaded up on both phones equally. Spotify, and quicker on the S10 Plus. SoundCloud, and again slightly quicker on the S10 Plus. Moving on to YouTube. S10 Plus done, followed by the Galaxy Note 9. We've got one more game, that is Smash Hit. And once again, same result. We also got Twitter on both phones, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, pretty much. If you scroll down, you can see I can feel a bit stuttering on the Galaxy Note 9. Stuttering, yes, that's the word. Little bit in the start, but now it's smooth. But I don't think I've seen it on the S10 Plus. So looking overall, now it's smooth on the Note 9 once it's loaded up. And last but not the least, we're going to be launching cameras at the same time. Here we go. And that is about the same on both phones. Let's quickly do the image rendering on both phones with the Adobe Photoshop Express application. Let's load an 8K image on both phones, and you can see the S10 Plus a bit quicker there. Let's apply some effects. So we're gonna be putting the spring filter on both phones all the way to the max. Also apply the clarity to 100% as well. And let's see the export power at the same time. Boom. And let's see. Okay, both phones taking time. The S10 Plus is done, followed by the Note 9. Next up is a quick browsing war. So we've got wikipedia.org on both phones, first website, and I think that's slightly faster on the S10 Plus. Really small difference. Scrolling looks really smooth. And if I zoom in and out, very smooth performance. Next up is WWE.com, and that's really fast on the S10 Plus. It's done loading the full website and also loaded up the ad. The Note 9, again, slightly slower there, but still really good performance overall from both phones. Scrolling looks smooth with this heavy media website. Let's go back and do the RAM management and see if they are keeping up the memory or not. Phone dialer still there. Settings, Subway Surfers, and that got refreshed on the Galaxy Note 9. By the way, the Note 9 here is actually the 6GB version compared to the 8GB version that I have here of the S10 Plus. So Quora is still there on both phones. Reddit, Asphalt 9, and I think not the whole app is refreshed, but I think this is the application that is refreshing the content, so it's not the phone's fault. Moving on to Pinout, and that got refreshed on the Note 9. 2 refreshes on the Note. Instagram also got refreshed. 3 refreshes on the Note now. Spotify, Note 9 is refreshing more apps now. SoundCloud, still there. YouTube, smash hit. And I don't know why I'm getting so many refreshes now with the Note 9. Definitely with One UI, things have been massively changed, and I think that is the effect there with applications. So Twitter is still there. S10 Plus is going perfect in this test. We're back to the Adobe editor, and that also got refreshed, and back to the internet browser. So yeah guys, I'm super impressed by the performance of the S10 Plus compared to the best of Samsung from last year, which is the Note 9. Note 9 again is a really good phone, it's really fast, but pretty much RAM management needs to be addressed with the One UI update. Obviously, Samsung will be improving stuff more with the Note 9. Of course, S10 Plus, I mean, it is on its first software version with more updates. It will get even faster, and it has all the AI stuff as well. So I mean, this phone genuinely feels really, really fast, and I think that's because of the dual NPU. I mean, AI working behind the scenes. The app fast launch is indeed real. I can perfectly attest that the trailer that they showed that the app fast launch is there, it is absolutely true. Note 9 conquered by the S10 Plus. Let me know what speed test you guys want to see more, and I'll be doing a camera test as well and a battery drain test. Be sure to stay tuned for all that stuff, and peace out.